and the bass. The first thing, we're going to look at the major scale and the intervals that it's made of. So that's a major second, a major third, a major fourth, a perfect fourth, a perfect fifth, a major sixth, a major seventh, and a major eighth. Knowing these intervals and where they are in one position is good to have a grounding of where to start arpeggios when you're playing bass lines over things. So say you're playing a 1-4 chord progression. You need to know where the 1 is and where the 4 is. And you want to know the arpeggios shapes. So that's kind of like a crappy bass line for that chord progression. And so it's good to memorize the shapes of scales and intervals. Like what I was saying, this shape, just holding a fret and playing 2 strings, is a perfect fourth, the beginning of the wedding song. Boom, 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 boom. You do that anywhere, it's a perfect fourth on the bass. Perfect fourth anywhere. So you know, if you're playing that, if you need to go from the 1 to the 4 into the 5, and you need to play bass line using the major arpeggio shape on each of those, you'd be like, yeah. And what I was talking about, building the chords. So like when you're going in thirds of the scale, you have the scale and each one is seconds. We're moving a second each time. If we skip notes, we're going thirds. So like 1, 2, 3, if we just go, and that's a major chord. And then we could do that in that same scale starting on the next note, and we get a different kind of chord. We get a minor chord. And we can start on the next. We get different chords.